In this video, I will be showing you how to create email account in Namecheap hosting account. So let's get started with the video. First, you need to log into Namecheap account. And next, you need to click Hosting List tab on the left side of the screen. And again, click this cPanel button to enter the cPanel settings page. In cPanel settings page, you need to click Email Accounts under Email section. And again, in this email account page, to create new email account, click this Create button on the right side of the page. Next, select the domain in the first field if you have more than one domain in hosting account. And in second field, enter the username for the email field. And in the password section, you can either generate a random password for the new email account, or you can create a custom password for the email account. And finally, click the Create button in the bottom of the page. And done, you can see here, the email account has been created in Namecheap account. With this we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add more content.